Hi everyone, welcome back to 10th standard maths class. In this video, we are going to start our new chapter. Chapter name is Trigonometry. Here onwards, your second term portion starts. Okay, so let's start the chapter. Here, the word trigno means it is triangle. Okay, it is triangle. And the metry means measures. Okay, measures. So, trigonometry means triangle measures. Which all are the measures of triangle? For a triangle, sides and angles are measures. Okay, for a triangle, sides and angles are the measures. So, the trigonometry means it is the study of relationship between sides and angles of triangle. Okay, trigono means triangle, metry means measures. Okay, so trigonometry means it's just about the triangle. Triangles what? Measures means sides and angles. Okay, so it's a study of relationship between sides and angles of a triangle. One more speciality is there. Here the triangle means only right triangle. Okay, only right triangle we will consider for trigonometry. Okay, the trigonometric values are applicable only for right triangles. One of the angle must be 90-degree angle. Okay, right triangle. So this is a basic. Now our first subheading is angles and sides. Okay, this one you already learn in 9th standard. 9th standard you have already learned this. That means angles and side means two type of triangle you have learned. Triangle means right triangle. Okay, so the first one is this one, 45 45 90 degree. Okay, 45 45 90 degree. And the second triangle is 30 60 90 degree with angles as 30 degree, 60 degree and 90 degree. These two are the right triangles. And you have learned one relationship for these triangles. Relationship means one concept you have learned. That means ratio concept. Okay, ratio concept you have already learned. What was that? For 45 45 90 degree triangle, the sides will be in a particular ratio. What is that ratio? 45 45 90. 45 here, 45 here, 90 here. The sides will be, okay, the sides of these triangles will be in the ratio 1 is to 1 is to 2. 1 is to 1 is to root 2. Okay, 1 is to 1 is to root 2 is the ratio. Sides will be in the ratio 1 is to 1 is to root 2. Whatever be the sides, okay, whatever be the sides of different triangles with the angles as the same like this. That means for different, for example, 3 or 4 triangles have same angles 45 45 and 90 degree. Maybe the sides will be different. Okay, measurement wise the sides may be different, but the sides will be in this ratio. Okay, the sides of all that triangles will be in this particular ratio, that is 1 is to 1 is to root 2. Okay, for all the right triangles with this angle 45 45 90. Similarly, here also we can say the sides will be in the ratio 1 is to root 3 is to 2. Okay, so here the sides are, sorry, the angles are 30 degree, 60 degree, 90 degree. Okay, whatever be the sides of different triangles, but the angles are same, 30 60 90. If angles are same, we can say that the sides will be in this particular ratio. Okay, that means here 30 degree is 1, 30 degrees opposite side must be in the ratio 1. Then 60 is here root 3. So 60 degree opposite side must be here root 3. Okay, then 90 is opposite. 90 degree here its opposite is 2. Okay, like this we can write. Okay, this is not the sides. Okay, 1 centimeter, 2 centimeters. It is not like that. It is ratio. If we know the ratio, we can find the length of each side. Okay, by considering one of the side. Okay, that is a use of these ratios. Okay, so here similarly we can write 45 opposite 1. These two sides will be same. Okay, because opposite angles, this we can consider as an isosceles triangle. Okay, if two angles is same means their opposite sides will be same. So here one, then next here it will be root 2. Okay, already you have learned this. Anyway, your first section is related to this. By using this, you have to solve the problems. Okay, that is about angles and sides. Now let's go to the problems. Page number 103. Here is your question. In the triangle shown, what is the perpendicular distance from the top vertex to the bottom side? What is the area of the triangle? Okay, one triangle is given. This is a figure given in the question. Okay, two sides as 4 centimeter and one angle as 120 degree. This is an isosceles triangle. Okay, here we have to find the area of this triangle. Area. So in order to find the area, what is the equation? Area of triangle equation is what? That is half into b into h. Okay, so in order to find this area, we need base and height. Okay, base we need and height also we need, then only we can find area of this triangle. But here base is not given and height also not given, that we need to find first. So here trigonometry, I told you it is about right triangles. Okay, it's about right triangle, but here it is 120 degree, that means one obtuse triangle is given, one obtuse triangle. Okay, so in order to get a right triangle, what we can do here? Anyway, we have to find the height of this triangle. Okay, so height means what? From the upper vertex to the base, a perpendicular line we need. Okay, a perpendicular line from the upper vertex to the base is what? Height of this triangle. That let's draw here. Like this we can draw. Okay, so see CD. Okay, here CD is a perpendicular height. That means height of this triangle is CD. Now here it is perpendicular line and perpendicular, that we know for an isosceles triangle, when we draw a perpendicular line to the base, that will divide the base into two equal halves, and that angle also will be in two equal halves. Okay, so here total 120 degree means each angle will be what? Each will be 60 degree, 60 degree. This angle 60 degree and this angle will also be 60 degree. Okay, now you can see there are two right triangles. Okay, one right triangle here and one right triangle here, because one angle is 90 degree, it is perpendicular. Okay, so 60 here, 90 here. So the remaining angle will be what? This angle will be what? It will be 30 degree. Okay, so 30, 60, 90. So here we can consider the triangle ADC. So in that triangle ADC, angles are 30, 60, 90. Okay, 30, 60, 90 degree. That means the sides will be in which ratio? Sides will be in the ratio 1 is to root 3 is to 2. Okay, this is the ratio of the sides. Now let's write the sides also. Okay, so 30 opposite. 30 opposite side is what? CD. Okay, so let's write CD is 2. Next is what? 60 angle. Angle 60 is opposite side is AD. So CD is 2. AD is 2. Next is 90. 90 here its opposite is what? AC. Okay, so AC. CD is to AD is to AC. These three sides in the ratio 1 is to root 3 is to 2. Okay, now we have to find these two sides from the same ratio. So for that, at least one side will give in the question itself. Okay, at least one side, then only we can solve this. Okay, so here which is the side given for this triangle? In this triangle ADC, one side is given, that is 4 centimeter. Okay, one side is given, that is 4 centimeter. That is AC is 4 here. Okay, AC is 4. AC means 90 degrees opposite. 90 opposite is 4 centimeters. So here we have 4. Okay, but here ratio wise it is 2 and answer is given as 4. That means by multiplying a particular number we will get the answer as 4. So that same number you have to multiply with root 3 and with 1. So for that 2 is changes to 4. That means you can write like this: 2x equal to 4. Okay, that means by multiplying with x the answer comes as 4. Okay, 2x equal to 4, because 2 changes to 4, that means 2 into x equal to 4. Now from this we can find x. X equal to what? 4 by 2. 4 by 2 is equal to 2. Okay, that means here we are multiplying with 2. X equal to 2 means 2 into 2 is what? 4. 2 into 2 is 4. That same into 2 we have to multiply here and here. That is into 2 here, into 2 here. Okay, so the answer becomes 1 into 2, 2 is to root 3 into 2, 2 root 3. Here no need to multiply because already that is in the form of answer, that is 2 into 2, 4 already here. So 2 is to 2 root 3 is to 4. Now from this we can write the measures. That means 2 here. 30's opposite is 2. 30's opposite CD. That means this is CD. So CD equal to what? 2 centimeter. CD equal to 2 centimeter. Next we need what? Base we have to find. Now from this AD we can find. AD is opposite of what? 60. So 60's opposite is what? 2 root 3. So here AD equal to 2 root 3. Okay, AD equal to 2 root 3. Now these two are similar triangles. See, 30 60 90, 30 60 90. That means DB will also be what? Same 2 root 3. Okay, DB will also be 2 root 3. Now in order to find the base means here from A to B is base. So base AB will be equal to what? 2 root 3 plus 2 root 3 will be AB. So here height CD equal to what? Height CD equal to, it is 2 centimeter. That means 30's opposite. Okay. Now base we have to find. That is base. Base is AB. From A to B is base. So AB equal to 2 root 3 plus 2 root 3. Same numbers, that means we can add here. So 2 root 3 plus 2 root 3, final answer is 4 root 3 centimeter. Now we have to find area, half into B into H. So half into B is what? 4 root 3 into height, BH, height is what? 2. Okay, now this 2 and 2 we can cancel. So final answer will be what? 4 root 3 centimeter square. Okay, area of this particular triangle is 4 root 3 centimeter square. Only thing you have to remember here, by multiplying with which number, that you have to find. By finding that number, you have to multiply the next two numbers also, you have to multiply with that number. Okay, for that you can consider the number as x. Okay, by doing the similar next problems you can understand this more. Next is question number 2. In each of the following parallelograms, find the distance between the top and bottom side. Calculate the area of each parallelogram. Two parallelograms are given. For the first parallelogram, you have to find the distance between two opposite sides and area of that parallelogram. This is the first figure given in the question. Okay, so here also we have to find what? Distance between opposite sides, upper and lower sides. Okay, these two sides, distance between these two sides. Okay, that means height of this parallelogram we have to find. After finding that, you have to find the area also. So first of all we need what? A right triangle we need. In order to apply trigonometric ratios, we need a right triangle. So in order to get the right triangle, let's draw height. Okay, from the upper vertex to the base, let's draw a perpendicular line first. Okay, so here DE is the distance between upper side DC and lower side AB. Okay, DE is the distance between these two sides. Now we got one right triangle, that is right triangle AED. Okay, triangle AED we got, it is a right triangle. And in this triangle, that side is given, that is what? 2 centimeter, and one angle is given as 45 degree. Okay, so this is 45 degree and this is 90 degree because it is perpendicular. The next angle will be what? That will also be 45 degree. Okay, so this triangle's angles are 45, again 45, then 90. 45 45 90. Okay, now in under that, let's write the sides also, opposite sides, then it will be easy. Okay, so first 45 opposite side is what? DE. Okay, so DE is 2. Next 45 is here. Okay, then 45 opposite is AE. DE. Okay, just opposite side. So DE is to AE is to 90. 90 is here. This is 90. Okay. So 90's opposite is what? AD. Okay. So AD. DE is to AE is to AD. So 45, 45, 90 means what is the ratio? These three sides will be in the ratio what? 1 is to root 2. Okay, 1 is to root 2 is the ratio. After writing this, you have to check any of the side is given or not and which is that side. Okay, so when you check this triangle, you can see that 2 centimeter is given. That 2 centimeter is what? AD is 2 centimeter. So under that we can write what? 2. Okay, so under that we can write 2 AD, that is 2 is given. Now we have to find the change. What is the change here? So for that what we will write? This root 2 into x equal to what? 2. Okay, root 2 into a particular number, answer must be what? 2. Okay, root 2 is changes to 2. So root 2 into x equal to 2. So in order to find x, keep x here, x equal to 2 by root 2. Okay, so this root 2 into this 2 by root 2 is what? Answer as 2. This root 2 and root 2 will cancel and the answer will be 2. That's why here 2 comes. Okay, so that multiplication factor is 2 by 2 root 2. So with the same 2 by 2 by root 2, we have to multiply these two numbers. So here also 1 into 2 by root 2. Here also 1 into 2 by root 2. Okay, so answer will be what? 2 by root 2 is to 2 by root 2 is to 2. Okay, let's write like this. Okay, so this is the answer. Now from this we have to check which is DE and which one is AE. Okay, here we have to find the perpendicular height, that means DE we have to find. So check which one is DE. DE means here it is 2 root 2, just under the number. D is under, here it is 2 root 2. Therefore DE is 2 root 2 centimeter. That means height is 2 root 2. Now we have to find the area also. So DE equal to H equal to 2 by root 2 centimeter. Next is area of parallelogram. What is the equation area of parallelogram? Area of parallelogram equation is BH. Base into height is the equation. Okay. So here base already given. AB already given, it is 4 centimeter. So 4 into height we found it as 2 by root 2. Okay. So 2 by root 2. Okay, now in order to get the final answer, what we can do? 4 into 2. 4 2s are 8 by root 2. Okay, 8 by root 2 centimeter square. Okay, 8 by root 2 centimeter square is the area of parallelogram. Either you can write this answer like this or you can cancel this root 2. Okay, so for that, in order to avoid a root value in the denominator place, what we can do here? That we can write like this: 8 by root 2, numerator and denominator we can multiply with root 2 in order to avoid a root value in the denominator. So here numerator becomes 8 into root 2, that is 8 root 2. Okay, divided by root 2 into root 2. Root 2 into root 2 is 2. Okay, so 8 root 2 by 2. Again we can simplify because 8 by 2 is 4. So 4 root 2. Okay, we can write the answer like this: 4 root 2 centimeter square. Not compulsory. You can stop here also. No issue. Okay. Similarly, try to do the second one. Okay, that green parallelogram. First find the height, then find the area. Same method you can follow. Okay. Now next question. Question number 3. A rectangular board is to be cut along the diagonal and the pieces rearranged to form an equilateral triangle as shown below. The sides of the triangle must be 50 centimeter. What should be the length and breadth of the rectangle? Okay, one rectangular portion is given and one equilateral triangle also given. You have to find the measurements of rectangle. Here in this question, a rectangular cardboard piece. Okay, a rectangular cardboard piece. Through the diagonal it is cut into two pieces. Okay, through the diagonal. This is the first piece and this is the second piece. Now by rearranging these two pieces, an equilateral triangle like this, okay, an equilateral triangle is formed. Okay, now the sides of this equilateral triangle must be 50 centimeter. Equilateral triangle means we know all the sides must be equal. Okay, so here it is given sides are 50° each. Okay, now question is, what is the length and breadth of this rectangle? Okay, rectangle's length and breadth we have to find. Okay, now consider this triangle. Let's mark the points as A, B, C and D. Okay, so here AB is 50°. As it is equilateral triangle, we know perpendicular line will divide the base into two equal halves. That means total 50. So this will be 25 and this will also be 25. Now check the rectangle portion. Here this base, okay, that means half portion A to D. This A to D is the same as breadth of this rectangle. Okay, half base of this triangle is the same as breadth of this rectangle. That means breadth of this rectangle will be 25. Okay, now we have to find length. So this length side, that means this portion, this length is same as height of this triangle, that means CD. Okay, so we have to find this CD's measurement, then only we can write the length of this rectangle. So for that we have one equilateral triangle here. Okay, one right triangle here. Okay, now for equilateral triangle we know all the angles are same, that is 60°. Okay, all angles are 60. Here is 60°, here also 60, upper also 60°. Now this divided into two equal half means here 60, so this will be 30, this will also be 30. Okay, now we can consider one part of this. Okay, that means this right triangle we can consider, that is triangle ABC. Okay, so here 30, 60, 90°. So the ratio is, angles are 30, 60, 90. Now let's write the sides here. So 30 is opposite is AD. So AD is to 60 is opposite is CD is to 90 is opposite is AC. Now let's write the ratio. What is 30, 60, 90 ratio? 1 is to √3 is to 2 is the ratio. Now let's check which is the given side. Given side is what? 50 centimeter is given, that is opposite of 90, that is AC is given 50, 90 is opposite. So 90 is opposite, let's write 50. Okay, now we have to find the multiplication factor. Into what is 50? Directly we can say it is 25. 2 into 25 is 50. If you have any doubt in that, you can write like this. This 2, x equal to what? 50. Okay, so x equal to 50 by 2, that is equal to 25. If you have any doubt, you can do like this. Otherwise, if you know directly, you can write. Okay, so here 2 into 25 is 50. Okay, so multiplication factor here it is 25. So same into 25 we have to do here and we have to do here also. So into 25 here, into 25 here also. So 1 into 25, 25 is to √3 into 25 is 25 √3 is to 50. Okay, so from this what is the CD here it is 25 √3. Okay, so 25 √3 is CD. That means length of this rectangle. Okay, length of this rectangle will be 25 √3 centimeter. Okay, this is the answer. Next is question number 4. Two rectangles are cut along the diagonal and the triangles good are to be joined to another rectangle to make a regular hexagon as shown below. If the sides of the hexagon are to be 30 centimeters, What would be the length and breadth of the rectangles? So, two small rectangles and one larger rectangle is given. You have to find the length and breadth of these rectangles from the given regular hexagon. Okay. Here in this figure, two rectangles of equal size. Okay, two rectangles of equal size cut into four equal pieces. Here, first piece, second, third, fourth. Okay, four pieces. And by using a large rectangle. Okay, this large rectangle is not cutting anything. Just by using this large rectangle and these four pieces, we are creating a regular hexagon. Okay, regular hexagon. That means this one piece we are placing here. Okay, the second place. Okay, like this. So these are the 1 2 3 4. Okay, these four pieces are from here. These are parts of this small rectangle, and this is center large rectangle ABDE, that is this one. Okay, now it is given that in this hexagon, one side of this hexagon is 30 centimeter. Okay, one side is 30, that is also given. We have to find the length and breadth of these rectangles. Okay, length and breadth of this small rectangle and length and breadth of this large rectangle. Okay, so for that, when you look into this figure, you will feel that it is very tough, but actually it is very easy. Just by considering one ratio concept, we can solve this. So for that, check the side, 30 centimeter. Okay, all are 30. Here 30, here 30, the remaining also 30. Now check this 30 AB. This is same as breadth of this large rectangle. Okay, AB is same as breadth of large rectangle. Therefore, breadth of large rectangle will be 30. Okay, now we have to find the length of this larger rectangle and breadth and length of the small rectangles. Okay, so for that, as it is a regular hexagon, we know one angle of regular hexagon is what? One angle of regular hexagon is 120 degree. So here total angle C, here when we consider this angle C, the total angle C is 120 degree, and that 120 degree, this F and C are opposite vertices. That means FC is a diagonal. So all the diagonal will divide the angle into equal halves because it is a regular hexagon. In the question itself it is given that all the sides are equal. So this is regular hexagon. So total 120 degree means this angle will be 60 degree. Okay, one angle will be 60 degree. And what will be this angle? Perpendicular line. So this is 90 degree, and this angle will be what? 30 degree. Okay, so let's consider triangle DHC. Okay, triangle DHC, let's consider. So triangle DHC is angles are what? 30, 60, 90. Okay, 30, 60, 90 are the angles. Now let's write the sides. 30 opposite side is what? HC. Okay, HC is to, next is 60 degrees opposite side. 60 degree here, its opposite is just opposite DH. So DH is to 90 opposite. 90 is here, its opposite is DC. Okay, so HC is to DH is to DC. Now in this triangle, one side is given, that is 30 centimeter. Okay, 90 opposite 30 is given in the question. So 90 opposite, let's write 30. Okay, 30 we can write. Before that we have to write the ratio. What is 30, 60, 90 ratio? 1 is to root 3 is to 2. Okay, 1 is to root 3 is to 2 is the ratio. Now here answer given DC is 30, that is 90 is opposite is 30 is given. So what will be the multiplication factor? 2 into what is 30? 2 into 15 is 30. Okay, you can write 2x also. Okay, so 2 into 15 is 30. That means here also into 15, here also into 15. So here answer will be 15 is to 15 root 3 is to 30. Okay, so here HC is 15. HC. Okay, now check HC is what? This is a part of this rectangle. Okay, a part of this rectangle. DC is the diagonal position. So HC is the same as breadth of what? A piece of the small rectangle. Okay, HC is the breadth of this small rectangle. So we can write breadth of small rectangle will be what? Breadth of small rectangle equal to 15. HC is 15. Okay, HC is the same as this portion, so it is 15. Okay, now length we have to write. Length of small rectangle. Length of small rectangle means check the side DH. This side DH is the same as what? This portion. Okay, like this. So this is same as DH. So what is DH we got here? DH is 15 root 3. So 15 root 3 is the length of small rectangle. 15 root 3. Now in order to find the length of larger rectangle, we know these two are equal parts. Okay, so D to H is 15 root 3 means when we consider this triangle also we will get the same side. 30 here, 15 root 3 here, 15 here. Okay, so this is 15 root 3 means this also 15 root 3. So length of large rectangle equal to 15 root 3 plus 15 root 3, that is equal to 30 root 3. Okay, 30 root 3 is the answer. So breadth already we wrote. Breadth of the larger rectangle is 30. Length is what? 30 root 3. Then breadth of the small rectangle is 15. Length is 15 root 3. This is the answer. Next is question number 5. Calculate area of the triangle shown. One triangle is given with a base as 4 cm and two angles as 45 degree and 60 degree. You have to find the area of this triangle. This is a rough figure. Here we have to find area of this triangle. Okay, let's write the name as A, B, C. Okay, triangle ABC. Area we have to find. Base already given, that is 4 cm. Height is not given, that we have to find. So first let's draw the height. Let's mark this point as D. Okay, so here CD is the height of this triangle. We have to find that height. Now you can see two right triangles here. Okay, ADC and BDC. These two are right triangles. But in these two right triangles, at least one side we need, but that is not here. Okay, because 45 degree, 60 degree. Okay, these two are different angles. That means we can't say that this is 2 cm, this is 2 cm. Okay, only for isosceles triangle and for equilateral triangle we can say that the perpendicular height will divide the base into equal halves. Okay, but this is not isosceles triangle or equilateral triangle. That means this is not 2 and 2. Okay, so here at least one side here it is not given. Okay, one side is not given. So in that case what we can do? We have to consider both the triangles. Before that, this side CD, okay, this side CD is common to both the triangle. For the first triangle and for the second triangle, CD is common. Let's consider that CD as x centimeter. Okay, let's consider height as x centimeter. Now consider the first triangle, triangle ADC. Okay, so this is 45, this is 90, means this will be 45 degree. That means we can write it as 45, 45, 90. Okay, now let's write the sides here. So 45 opposite side is CD is to 45. Again, next of 45 is here. 45 opposite is AD. AD is to 90's opposite, that is AC. Okay, now what is the ratio? 1 is to root 2 is the ratio. Okay, now here side we consider as what? X centimeter. 45 opposite we consider as x centimeter. So this is x here. Then next to 45 will also be what? X centimeter. Okay, because 1 into x is x, so here it will be x. Then next will also be what? AC. This side AC will be root 2 into x. Okay, because we consider CD as x centimeter, 1 into x, so 1 into x, root 2 into x, like this we will get. Okay, now let's consider the next triangle, that is CDB. Before that, we consider CD as x. Okay, we consider CD as x, and similarly AD will also be what? X centimeter, because both are 45-degree angle. 45 here, this is also 45. So 45 opposite x, this 45 opposite also x. Consider triangle CDB. Angles are 30, 60, 90. This is 60 means here 90 and this will be 30. Okay, now let's write the sides. 30 opposite side is DB. Okay, so DB is to 60 opposite side is CD. So CD is to 90 degree here, it's opposite, just opposite side is CB. Now let's write the ratio. What is the ratio? 1 is to root 3 is to 2. Okay, so here also we have one side as what? X centimeter, that we already consider CD as x centimeter. So let's write CD. Here CD, let's write it as x. Okay, so we have to find the multiplication factor. Here we can't directly write which is the multiplication factor. So for that, let's write what? Root 3 into which number is x, that we need to write. So for the previous case we consider that as x, but here also x, so it will be a confusion. So for that, let's consider that number as that number. Root 3 into number equal to answer is what? X. Like this we can write in order to avoid the confusion. Okay, when you write x here also, then it will be a big confusion. So root 3 into number equal to x, we have to find which is that number. So that number equal to root 3 into, so come to this side, it will be by root 3. So x by root 3 is the multiplication factor. So with the x by root 3 we have to multiply 1 and 2. So 1 into x by root 3, answer will be x by root 3. Here no need to write. Next 2 into x by root 3, like this. Okay, so x by root 3 is to x is to 2 into x by root 3. Okay, so here we got these three sides as DB, CD and CB. So DB is what? DB is this side, this portion. Base, first portion we consider as x. The next portion we got DB as x by root 3. That means this portion is x by root 3. Okay, now only thing given in this question is total length of that base is 4 centimeter. That is the only clue we have. Now in that 4 centimeter we got first portion as x and second portion as x by root 3. From this we have to find the value of x. So for that, let's add these two and write the answer as 4 centimeter. We'll show you. Like this we can write, that is AB. AB is given as 4 centimeter and AB is split into AD and DB. So AD plus DB must be what? 4 centimeter. And what is AD? AD is x plus DB. DB we found it as x by root 3. Answer is 4. Okay, by simplifying this we have to find the value of x. So for that, let's cross multiply. That is root 3 x plus x whole divided by root 3 equal to 4. Okay, now from this we can take x common. Okay, so when you take x common, it will be root 3 remain plus from this x we took 1x outside, so remaining is 1. And let's take this denominator 3, that is divided by 3 to this side, so it will be multiplication, that is 4 root 3. Okay, so x, we need to find only x, so keep x here, root 3 plus 1 take to next side. So x is equal to 4 root 3 divided by root 3 plus 1. Okay, 4 root 3 by root 3 plus 1 is x. That means x we consider as what? Height of this triangle. So we got height of this triangle as 4 root 3 by root 3 plus 1. We got x is equal to 4 root 3 by root 3 plus 1. Now let's simplify this, because in the denominator we have one root value. So in order to avoid that, let's multiply numerator and denominator with opposite sign. That means root 3 plus 1 here. Let's multiply this with root 3 minus 1. In the numerator also root 3 minus 1. Okay. So answer becomes what? 4 root 3 into root 3. Open the bracket. 4 root 3 into root 3. Root 3 into root 3 is 3. Then 3 into 4. 4 3s are 12. Okay. Now 4 root 3 into minus 1. So minus 4 root 3 whole divided by root 3 plus 1 into root 3 minus 1. This is, we can write like this. A plus B into A minus B. Identity form. What is this identity? It is A square minus B square. Okay. So A square minus B square means A is what? Root 3 here. So root 3 is square. Root 3 square minus 1 square. So root 3 square is 3 minus 1 square is 1. So here the final answer will be 12 minus 4 root 3 whole divided by 3 minus 1 is 2. Like this you can write. Now x is what? Height. Okay, now let's write the area. Equation area is what? Area equal to half BH. That is half into base is what? Base is given as 4 into height is what? Height is 12 minus 4 root 3 whole divided by 2. Okay, now 2 into 2 4, that we can cancel here. So here the final answer will be 12 minus 4 root 3. Okay, centimeter square. Like this you can write. Normal simplification is needed. If you want, you can simplify by using the approximate value of root 3. What is the approximate value of root 3? It is 1.73. By applying that value here, you can simplify this. Not necessary. You can write the answer like this also. Okay. So area of the triangle is 12 minus 4 root 3 centimeter square. Hope you understood. Thank you. See you in the next video with a new topic.